Hello there. Background removing is maybe very easy for you with any software, but today I'm going to show you a very new trick how to remove background without any software. Firstly, you need to go to canva.com from your browser. So here is the canva.com. And you need to log in first. I have already logged in. You can use your Gmail to log in or your Facebook account to log in here. Now we need to create a design to remove the background of any photo. Just click here and take a custom size around 1080 and 1920. Click here. So here is our artboard. Now we need to import our image here. Just go to upload and click on upload media and go to the location of your photo. Firstly, we are taking this image double click here or drag and drop here. So I'm dragging drop here and making it large. For removing background, we need to go to edit image and here the background remover option. Just click on the background remover option. Let's wait. The AI is removing the background. Look, the background is removed perfectly. So let's check here. I think it's perfect on the edges. Now let's check with another image which has a complex background. Just delete this from this artboard and upload another image. The image is uploading here. Double click on the image so that it's set on the artboard. I think taken it twice, therefore I'm deleting one. And here is the one with a very black background. Now I'm going to remove it. Go to edit image and background remover. The background is removing. It's taking time for the AI detection. Don't worry about that. Look, the background is removed perfectly and it's not 100% accurate, but it works. Okay, let's try another image. Just delete this from this artboard. I'm going to upload another image which is this one. Once the image is uploaded, just double click on the image to open it on artboard. Make it larger. Now go to edit image and background remover. Look, the background is removed. Actually, this image has more complex background than previous image, but it's removed background perfectly. Let's try with another image which has more complex background. So I'm deleting this image from this artboard and uploading another image of this one. Here the image is uploading. Just click on the image and make it larger to fit in artboard. Now click on edit image and background remover. Look here, it's not 100% accurate because this image has a very complex background. We can make it accurate by erase it from here, taking the eraser tool from here and erase it on the edges. We can decrease the brush size. Now let's try with more complex background. This one has most complex background out of the other image. The image is uploaded, so just click this image, and so this image is imported perfectly. Now go to edit image and background remover. So the background is removed, but it's not perfect. You can make it more perfect by taking the eraser tool. If you erase unwanted area, then you can again restore it by this restore tool. Now how can we export this image with a transparent background? It's very easy. Just go to download. Here is the option of file type, and this will be PNG format, and take the PNG. For the higher quality you can increase the size as well. I am taking it 2.5, and look, here is a transparent background option. Just mark the transparent background and hit the download. Our transparent background file is downloading. So here the file is downloaded. Hope you have gotten the idea how to remove background without any heavy softwares. Just you need a browser and then go to Canva and remove the background. Then download it as transparent background. That's all about today's tutorial. Hope you have enjoyed it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep liking and commenting to support us, and thank you very much.